But as you can see, the top there's a cemetery and a church. Every village has one, and built by the locals. Here in Spain there are no burials, it's cremation only, and it's within 48 hours of your passing, so very, very quick here in Spain. And your ashes are always taken back to your local village, put at the top of the mountain there in a hole in the wall, because up at the graveyard, because the Spanish still believe the higher up the mountain, the closer you are to God. Here we don't have any nursing homes, none. We have the odd one, but it's for expats who pay, but we don't have any from the state because the Spanish parents, it's automatic, without discussion, the Spanish parents will always live with the children.